Hey, why don't you unhook that fucking boat there? Decky?
Decky, son of a bitch. Decky.
Why don't you unhook that boat there, Decky?
I'm pretty sure I own the boat, asshole.
Alright guys, we are at the Hudson boat ramp here. We're about to send it, hopefully 80 miles or so. We're waiting on See Ya Dude, aka Mr. Brent Shermer, and his buddy Bob, I think his name is. We're gonna go see if we can slap some ARS. Oh, I'm walking to the other ramp. Boat's over there. Slow pitch.
You're gonna go slow pitch on the wreck?
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna lose my slow pitch.
All right, we are in 145 on a wreck. First spot of the day. I'm dropping the slow pitch down. I want some red snapper.
I'm gonna drop a Dean down. Yeah, I said I was going to. I'll move my shoe. Dropping an old frozen Deaner down. There it is. There it is.
There's a fish.
We're on.
See? Oh, I hear some drag.
Oh, it's a bigger fish.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
You lost him already? That was quick. I thought I was gonna break off.
I don't think I broke off. Pretty sure I pulled the hook. No, he got me in the wreck and broke me off. Big freaking ARS.
Hit him with the go-to, son. What a big old juicy pin. Pin fish on the big gear, boys. We're switching it up. Slow pitch not working. Big gear. Pin fish. Let's go. I'll get him for you. That's at least 80 foot of his.
Bottom. Oh, AJ's buried up. Wow, you're on immediately.
Oh my. Come on. Not today. No.
Is it gonna be the right color though?
Freaking hefty, whatever it is. Low range, barely stopping them. Might be a grouper, dude.
Still playing pretty good.
It's not giving me that crazy ARS fight though. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's decent. Oh god, dude, it just woke the hell up. Nope, didn't get 8.
Lost my bait on the one hit I got.
Damn, son. We're wrapped. Just open your bail. Damn. Oh, it's a AJ. That thing pulled that hard.
So the little AJ.
How did that just work me?
Real shark. No, never mind. They're big AJs. You're good. You got an ARS.
There we go.
There's number 1, and it's not a bad one.
That's not a bad one. I'll take that. That was on a sardine. Okay.
Deaner.
Yep.
Deaner.
Yeah, we'll take that. At least it's not a AJ, am I right?
Cough. I'm about to be like, you got some issue going on there.
No, we're good.
Not a boxer.
That's a boxer. That's
boxer?
a solid one.
Yeah.
What's the minimum size on them again for the people at home?
They gotta be 16.
Yeah,
16 to keep. Yeah,
well
he's definitely.
He's like
22, 23.
Yeah.
He's a good one.
All right, and we get 2 per person, right?
Yep. So that means we can get 6 today.
Let's do it.
So let's move that cooler.
Got it.
In the box. First one on ice.
I got hammered by a damn little ass AJ. The old live squirrel. Watch this.
I'm I'm watching this, AJ.
I'll hand it off to you. Get that, AJ.
You got live bait. Your bite wasn't on the bottom. And then you caught that one reeling up.
Look at that. Oh, come on.
Bro, I might have got a PB, guys.
PB what?
Look at that. I need a net.
Oh, big yellowtail. Big yellowtail. Here, I got this.
Boat flip it. Bro, PB, baby.
Even that.
That's a PB yellowtail, baby. Oh.
That is
What?
that's a 24-inch yellowtail.
Damn.
Okay. Was this on a chunk back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, 23. 23-inch yellow. Look at that. Look at that thing.
A 23-inch yellowtail.
Jesus. That's the biggest one I've ever seen in person.
That's a
Oh,
flag,
you're on.
baby. That's a flag. It's a chunk of squid. Dude, that is a flag.
All right, I guess we're going to keep doing that.
Look at that, guys. That is a flag yellow. Bob, I need to get underneath you.
Whoa.
Oh,
Talk to him nice.
kinky. Is it bad that my yellowtail's almost as big as your ARS? Okay.
Got your PB today, dude.
Yeah, that's me. Doesn't happen very often.
Big old yeller.
Here you go, Bob. Going in the box. It's a red snapper.
Come on, Daddy. What do we got? Very little. What if it's a big mango? Come on. It's an AJ. I quit fishing. It's an AJ. I quit fishing. This will be my 5th one in an hour.
Hey, what do you expect? We're on a wreck.
Expect no AJs. All Mondo red snapper feeding like crazy. No.
You gotta remember, there's a big ass cuda. That cuda that ate me was like 6 feet long. I seen his tail going by the chum slick. It is not an AJ.
What flavor?
Dude, red snap.
Red snap.
Not the biggest, but red snap.
That's not quite that hard.
Oh,
Oh, okay. There you go.
we got 2. One limit down.
One limit down.
One limit down. Felt like a little mang.
20.
He's like a boxer.
Yeah, he's boxing already.
That's all I see. Numero boxer. Dude, he's as big as the yellowtail.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, there was a big hit.
You find him? There you go. Mango. Whoa, hey.
I hope not.
Free line.
Wait, line.
I'm coming. Yep. Got it. Hey, line. Oh, it came off.
Cuda again.
No food on it.
We're on, boys.
What we got there?
I don't know. Probably an AJ.
Probably an AJ.
What's gonna say about everything now?
It's just an AJ.
That's my fifth one. 1 hour fishing. He's climbing the depths. It's looking AJ yet.
You gotta be.
They look like.
Oh, sick and tired of that. There's yellowtails. I can see yellowtails down there. What? A whole school of them.
Really?
And there's a huge. No freaking bro. We need. No, dude. There's a who.
There's a who?
I swear to that's a who.
Slow pitch? You think
I'm thinking we need a piece of wire.
yeah.
Dude, that's a who. And the slope, the little rod's on, Brandon.
Brandon, the little rod's on.
That's a who.
You want me to keep chumming?
Yeah, there you go. What do we got, dude? AJ.
No, it's gonna be yellowtail.
Dude, I'll go down and shoot a bunch of yellowtail.
Dude, I'm not joking. Dude, that's a who.
I did not see it, but I really, really hope you're right.
Oh, why does he keep pulling down?
Yeah, I got pliers.
That's a who. We may need to do the old droppage.
Dude, is that yellowtail?
I think it's a Oh, actually, no, this is a yellowtail.
Yep, big yellowtail. Again.
My PB yellowtail, bro.
Alright, we're all just doing our PB yellowtails now. What is this, Key West?
Yes.
We got wahoo and yellowtails?
We got pretty big yellowtails.
PB!
Hey, good shit.
A little smaller than yours, but is she a stud still?
I would do the same. Yeah, no, I literally...
I thought it was a freaking cuda. And then I seen the stripes on the side of it. I'm like, cudas don't have those.
Yeah.
Cuda.
Chilling with the yellowtail?
Hey, Bob, can I get under your feet there, man?
You get a measurement on him?
Ah, he's big.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 21.
The rod has enough line capacity.
Mondo yellowtail.
All right, guys. So I seen a who. So I'm gonna put a little tiny itty bitty bait hook inside of a little piece of wire, a little bit of everything here. We're gonna just slowly kind of just drift this out in the current.
Hey, Jay! Oh, it's a big line.
Oh,
Big
shit.
free line. Yeah.
Let him swallow that fucker. Reeling down on him. Let him gut that shit.
And the next thing you know,
Blacks in the wreck. You hooked the hoop?
No, what it should have took off screaming.
Oh. Fucking Vermilion?
I don't know how it cut that, but we'll go with it. No, you'll see. I'll show you. My brain's not comprehending how that just happened. But
Cut your
wire
knot?
Okay, we're going to trust the old circle hook. Oh, bleeder right there.
Vermilion!
He's
Okay. Oh.
bleeding everywhere.
Oh. What do you got there?
Keep a red grouper.
Keep a red grouper. All right, I just got one too.
Woo! We just moved spots. Literally everybody just hooked up like crazy. That's a limit of red grouper in like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Sweet deal.
I don't want to say it, but I think mine's got an inch or two on yours.
Oh.
Hold him up. Look at that guy right there.
Nice. I'll show you an inch or two. Has to be snapper AJ's.
That has to be, yeah, one of the two. You'll find out. You got a pinfish on. Well, I'm getting bit. There we go.
I called her too soon. It's like a free only better.
Come only better.
Sounds like way worse.
Dude, right here is where we want to be. Like, we spot lock anywhere,
You got it back?
it's right here.
Oh, hit mark. All right, guys, we're on something. We're on something.
Yeah, right snap.
It's fighting all the way up, so it ain't a grouper. Could be. It looked good. Bob's on. Oh, we're tangled, Bob. No, I'm not tangled. I got a red snap.
There you go. There you go. It is red.
I didn't have bait. I don't think.
You got a nice red snap on there, Bob.
You?
Yep. It's all red snapper.
That's 5? Oh, there you go.
No, well, this would be our 6. Yep.
Good one.
We just made a move, guys, around 130-foot ledge. It's kind of coming up to 116, bunch of show. I think we just finished off our...
Back down.
Damn, that sucks.
I know that thing.
Why am I catching all these small ones? Get a picture with it, Bob. Oh, what is that?
Clearly not a grouper.
Brandon, you're you want to pull your shirt down a little bit, bud.
Oh, you don't like my belly shirt?
For
I mean, hey, you pull it up higher in my case, boy. Come on. Give me a little dance. Woo!
What's wrong with a little show?
Oh!
He's gonna lose it. He's gonna get mad at me for saying it.
I'm definitely gonna lose it. This is super light.
What you got there? Big ol' AJ.
Big ol' AJ.
Big ol' AJ.
Big ol' AJ. You want to reel that in?
I got my hand. You gotta give me a second, dude. Got around?
We're going around the motors.
Come on, man. Do it for the YouTube.
Do it for the tube. Do it for the tube.
Get that AJ.
Matt, you can put a jig head on if you want. I got a bunch of jig heads. That's what I'm doing. Oh.
Called it. He's so mad right now.
That sucks. That was big.
Okay.
Put fish in the box, dude.
Our frozen bait on.
Oh!
Oh!
Big man! Fish on!
Fish on!
Big man! Come on, Papa. Keep the line tight. Lose your breath.
Fish on!
Mango!
Oh, he's trying.
Oh.
He's trying. That's some proper people.
You know what we need? Lane and a hogfish.
Come on up.
Spring a little bit shallower. What do you got there, Brett? Like something with gills.
Big man.
Oh, we'll never know.
It's a nothing now. Mango in the box. It's got some color to her.
Yeah, box looks good.
Oh! He's lost it.
That's a mango!
Come on, start yelling.
Africa popping out!
I need this rod reeled in.
Dude, don't fish two rod and reels.
I always fish 2 rod and reels.
I don't want to be your rod reeler inner. You need to be the worker.
Stick it on the rod holder behind you. I don't care about that.
What's going on over there?
Chaos. We're playing with we're playing with each other's rod at the moment.
All this for an AJ?
All this for an AJ.
There you go, douche. You got no bait anyway. And you lost. Stop telling me to do shit for you. You don't catch anything anyway. The finesses suck today. Usually you're good.
Dude. I don't know what happened. The jig's fine.
Oh!
Oh! Mango!
We're gunneled. We're gunneled.
Oh, it's going on a mango!
Preach it. Preach it. Preach it.
Oh, never mind, just there.
Preach it.
The last time we thought someone was in ARS, we pulled up a 10-pound mangrove, so. What's it gonna be? You got eyes on it? No.
It's got something with gills. Arse.
It's an arse. Oh!
Oh! Slapped. See ya, arse. Oh, oh, horse it. Horse him. Horse. You're gonna lose it. You lost it. It's gone.
AJ, baby, AJ!
It's gone. It's gone. Open the bail. Open the bail. Loosen the drag. Lucy the dragon.
Yeah, that's a Red Grouperand there.
Come on.
Loosen the drag.
Already got color, baby.
Red snap.
Yeah, it's really shiny, so I'm gonna go with red snap.
Got something working, man.
Trying, man.
It ain't no damn mang, I tell you that.
Nope. Big old snapper.
Just
Red snap.
3 times that size.
Yep.
Your direction hold it.
Poof.
Chicken rig. Remember when I said a rod was gonna explode?
Oh, yeah, you just rocked it.
Yeah, I did. You hooked a big grouper, buddy, on the chicken rig.
Drop in,
And
get
you
him.
were over there playing with it.
Drop in, get him. That's a dolphin. Oh. I just get 8.
You just got 8. Got a dolphin?
I just got 8.
No, dolphin's way over there.
Do we get this or do we not?
He just rock you up?
I think, no, he didn't.
No.
It's just a big ass Goliath. That ate whatever I just had.
Brett, oh, Brett got his out of the rocks. Ah, I lied.
Just keep the tension on him.
Just don't break my rod, all right?
Ah, he's just slow pulling.
Okay, I'm getting him up now.
That's a grouper because he's coming up easy. Might be a keeper red right there.
No hands on the rod.
Oh, he spit him. Get out of here.
Reel it, reel it, reel it. Whoever it is, we're keeping it. Precious.
Big ARS.
What?
You got a big ARS? Like how big? Like some of the
Oh, you had a shark.
Oh, I got sharked.
Big old mango.
Is that a keeper?
You got to measure him.
Dude, I had a stud bang on.
He's 12 inches, he's a keeper.
Guys,
We definitely have shorter ARS than that.
stud bang.
Do we?
Got sharked.
A little bit. Oh, got it up too.
No, we are not legal.
Ah,
Adios.
that wasn't.
Sharked?
Oh, sharks just decided to show up, huh?
We're gonna have to make a move. All right, boys, we just got a few mangoes here. The sharks seem to roll in.
Oh.
And I think we're gonna make a move here to try and pluck some more red grouper. We got 2 in the box. We need
Bob, you gotta put that real
4
high
more.
speed, buddy.
We will catch up with you guys when we roll to the next spot. All right, guys, we dished the run back inland right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We have, I think, 5 different snapper species in the box, a couple red grouper. Overall, it was a pretty decent day. Thank you to Mr. Brent here, AKA See Ya Dude, for coming out with us. Kind of like our yearly trip now, I guess it's becoming. And yeah, there's that. Appreciate you guys watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like. If you guys want to come out and do a charter just like this that we did today, you guys can book that man right there, Captain Dustin. He is running red snapper trips right now, and he's also still doing red grouper trips. So his dates are filling up. If you guys want to come out and get on some like we did today, all his info is down in the link below, and you guys can check him out. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.